Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Padil section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Today in this video, we will going to see a video related to GSEB solution for class 7 Maths chapter 1 integer exercise 1.4 question 1 to 4. So let's see question 1. It is evaluate each of the following, and that the first one is minus 30 divided by 10. So let's see the solution. So it is minus 30 divided by 10 means minus 30 upon 10. We can cut 30 and 10 because 10 ones are 10 and then 10 threes are 30. So we can cut it. So the answer will be minus 3. Next one is 50 divided by minus 5. So minus, we will take it as common. So 50 divided by 5, that is 50 upon 5. We can cut it because 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. So 10 will be, minus 10 will be our answer. Next, minus 36 divided by minus 9. So this is minus and this is also minus, so it will become plus. So 36 divided by 9, that is 36 upon 9. It is 9 ones are 9 and 9 fours are 36. So our answer is 4. Next, minus 49 divided by 49. So we will take minus as common. So 49 divided by 49, that is 49 upon 49. We can cut it because 49 ones are 49 and 49 ones are 49. So our answer will be minus 1. Next, 13 divided by bracket minus 2 plus 1. So we will do this first. That is minus 2 plus 1. So it will become minus 1. So 13 upon minus 1. So if any denominator, if it is 1, then the answer is the numerator itself. So we will take it minus 13 as the answer. Next is 0 divided by minus 12. Now we know that 0, if we divide 0 with any number, the answer is 0 only. So 0 divided by any non-integer, 0's integer is 0. Next, minus 31 divided by minus 30 plus minus 1. So minus plus minus 1, so it is plus minus minus. So minus 30 minus 1 will become minus 31. So we will take minus as common. So minus 31 upon minus 31. So it will cut. So our answer is 1. Next, minus 36 divided by 12 divided by 3. So we will take this first, minus 36 divided by 12. So it will become 3. Then it is divide 3. So minus 3 upon 3. So it will cut. 3 and 3 will cut, and so our answer will be minus 1. Next, minus 6 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So minus 1 upon minus 1. So minus 1 will cut, so answer will be 1. Second question is verify that a divided by b plus c not equal to a divided by c for each of the following values of a, b and c. So a is 12, b is minus 4 and c is 2. So here first we will do LHS, that is left hand side, that is a divided by b plus c. So 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2. So minus 4 plus 2 will become minus 2. So 12 divided by minus 2, that is minus 6. Now we will do RHS, that is a divided by b plus a divided by c. So 12 divided by minus 4 plus 12 divided by 2. So 12 divided by minus 4 will become minus 3 and 12 divided by 2 will become 6. So minus 3 plus 6 will become 3. Therefore, minus 6 is not equals to 3. So LHS and RHS is not equal. Next, A question, the values are A equals to -10, B equals to 1 and C equals to 1. Here are the solution. LHS equals to A divided by B plus C. So -10 divided by 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So -10 upon 2, that is -5. Now we will solve RHS, that is A divided by B plus A divided by C. So -10 divided by 1 plus -1 -10 divided by 1. So -10 upon 1, -10 upon 1. So it will become -20. So LHS and RHS are not equal. Next is fill in the blanks. So 369 divided by dash equals to 369. The 369 divided by 1 will become 369. B question, -75 divided by dash equals to -1. So if we divide -75 upon 75, the answer will be -1. So here our answer is 75. Next, -206 divided by dash equals to 1. So -206 upon -206. So minus will cut, 206 will cut. So our answer will be 1. -87 divided by 1 equals to 87. So -87 divided by -1. So minus will cut, 1 is in the denominator. So our answer is 87. E is dash divided by 1 equals to -87. So -87 divided by 1 equals to -87. Dash divided by 48 equals to -1. So -48 divided by 48 will become -1. 20 divided by -10 equals to -2. So 20 divided by -10 is -2. Dash divided by 4 equals to -3. So -12 divided by 4 equals to -3. Fourth question is, write 5 pairs of integers AB such that A divided by B equals to -3. One such pair is 6 upon 6 and -2, because 6 divided by -2 is -3. So let's see the 5 pairs. So first is -12 plus -12 and 4. So -12 divided by 4. So it will become -3. Next pair is -6 and 2. So -6 and 2 divided by, so it will become -3. Next is -9 plus 3. So -9 upon 3 divided by -3. And now last one is 9 divided by -3. So 9 divided by -3 will be -3. And the last one, fifth one, is 21 divided by -7. So 21 divided by -7 is -3. Note, this is an open-ended question, so more answers are possible. So this was my video related to GSEB solution class 7 chapter 1 mathematics. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.